Welcome to Poreč, a beautiful coastal town on Croatia's Istrian Peninsula, known for its Roman ruins, turquoise Adriatic views, and the starting point of one of the region's most historic bike routes, the Paran Zanev Trail. We rented top-quality gravel bikes right in Poreč, super comfortable and perfect for mixed terrain, because the trail gets rough really quickly. They even have a bike park out back so you can try out your bike. The Paran Zanev Trail is a 123-kilometer path. It covers 3 countries, Croatia, Slovenia, and Italy. It follows the old narrow-gauge railroad line that once connected Poreč, Croatia to Trieste, Italy. It ran from 1902 to 1935 and was a lifeline for inland villages transporting wine, salt, olives, and passengers. Today, it's a popular cycling route, but be ready. Loose gravel, ruts, and rocky sections make it a challenge. Our plan was to bike to Dahon, Croatia, a beautiful medieval hilltop town about 16 miles, 25 kilometers away. Have lunch, and then return. No problem, we thought. We have biked much further many times. We were enjoying the beautiful but rough ride. We were winding through vineyards, olive groves, and open countryside. But about 10 miles in, the rough trail and June heat was getting to us. We were also running out of water, and there were no places to buy any. Not good preparation on our part. So we made the call. Time to turn around. We returned to Poreč, hot and sweaty. The turquoise Adriatic looked so inviting, so we jumped in, bike clothes and all. The next day, we drove to Dahon instead. And wow, was it worth it. A stunning village hilltop, surrounded by vineyards and truffle-rich forests. It's a steep walk to the top, but the amazing views, the scent of lavender along the way, made it totally worthwhile. We eventually got our lunch, local truffles and pasta. So delicious. The Paran Zanev is a beautiful trail, but be ready for rugged terrain or just take it one section at a time. Either way, it's an unforgettable ride.